Hello friends, how are you? I am fine and hope you all are fine and fantastic. Today is the second video which I am going to see you about my terrace gardening which I have started. At last video of the terrace gardening I have shown you my pots which I have made and sown there some seeds, and now the result has to be came. So let's see what are the results. See, these are my long beans plant. Long beans plant, इसको हम सेमी भी कहते हैं. It is known as semi also in the Indian language. This is a hybrid and small breed of semi. So its height is not so be long, but it gives a lot of semi. If you see here everywhere, in this plant also everywhere the semi is taken out, and this also. So lot of semi you can see in the both of the plant, and very good it is growing. Now if I talk about my others plant, then you can see that all most of the my poly bags are fulfilled with different plants. Likewise, this pot I have made in my home. Okay, this is the oil pot, and by the cutting of this oil pot I have planted here the potato trees. See, potato plants, these are the potato plants. Also I have sown here reddish potatoes. See, you can see that in this both of this poly bag I have planted reddish potato, and this is normal potato. And this plant is a tomato plant. Now it is growing, and in that tomato plant not the fruit was came, but the flower was already came. Also I have planted some coriander trees. Coriander, see, these are the some coriander plants which I have planted, not in this year, but also I have planted corianders in many poly bags. In here also I have planted, in there also I have planted. You can see many corianders. You can also plant with some other plants also. Okay, no difficult will you face. Now I am going to show you my cauliflowers plant. What is the result of the cauliflowers plant? See, in the cauliflower plant you can see that they are mostly grown by the leaves, but what about the fruit? So let's see. The fruit is coming. See, here the fruit is coming. After very cold, the fruit is coming. Not in the every plant, but in some plant the fruit is coming. In this plant also the fruit is coming. See, so by the slowly process, cauliflower takes 120 days if you planted organically. If you plant it, then you can get your cauliflower 100 to 120 days. So that's why I am also getting so late, but the cauliflower is very good for health. You can see the leaves of the plant, so big in size, so huge in size. See my hand, so big in size. And I am very happy that first time I have planted cauliflower plants in the pots. And this I have planted some brinjal plants also, one in here, and some grown plant in here, and some in that pot and that pot. I have brinjal plants. Also I have planted some beans plant. See, it is a beans plant. Now it has grown, the flower is coming here. See, you can see the flower is coming already. In some plant the flower was sown. See here, the flower was sown, so beautiful. Okay, so these are the some my bean plants. In here I have planted. In the big poly bag I have planted the radish plant. You can see this is the radish plant here with coriander leaves. Also I have planted 2 cauliflower plant also in here. See, These are the, so it is a mixture of many kinds of plant which I have planted in the poly bag, and this is my first time when I have planted all this plant, and really I am very happy with this formation, because it is one of the best experience which I am going to take. So you can also make your terrace gardening very easy way, so that you can also gain more and more organic food without any help. So friends, try it at home. You can also do, if you want any kind of help or suggestion, then please you can you can chat with me. I am always with you. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.